Hi everybody, this is Muhammad Al-Abbad and my partner.
aalmuamma.
Today we're going to talk about our project at University of Hartford, and our project is a smart air pump station. And here you can see the project made by a student from UConn, and they brought it here to add more stuff in it, and choose to be just like touch screen, pressure sensor, and pump over here, and a computer inside it. And it used to be just a pressure. Let's take the pressure from here and send the information to the screen over here, and the screen will ask the user to put the information from the user, from the manufacturer of the car, and the rest of it, the computer will do the rest of it. And as you see over here is the project. From inside there is a computer and pump, and this is the pressure on the top over here. And what we did is to develop a pressure sensor as we made. So we made a research to get the relationship between the pressure sensor and temperature sensor, and we get a new pressure is equal to the pressure inside the tire times the new temperature divided by the temperature that we want inside the tire. And we built the lab view over here. As you see in the screen over here, this is the lab view built, and this is the black diagram over here. The front panel, sorry. The front panel for the program, as you see over here. And here is the circuit for the temperature. And here is the thermostat sensor over here. And the thermostat temperature over here. And how does it work? You have to put a 5 voltage, send it to the circuit. And here, as you see, the temperature inside the room is less than the temperature that we want inside the tire. So what it does is inflate for the tire. So if the temperature is high and more than the temperature that it's supposed to inside the tire, it will do the deflating, because the air inside the tire is the same, but will go smaller and bigger when the temperature changes. As you see right now, I'm gonna make a test for the temperature sensor to see how is it switched to deflate. And we have here heat to heat the sensor over here. And as you see right now, I'm gonna do the heating for the sensor to see. Oh. As you see, it's switched because the heat was more than what it is. And as you see, the temperature work as we want it to do, to get the relationship between the air, the pressure sensor and temperature sensor, to make the tire to be in the perfect condition for outside and different weather and different pressure inside the tire. Because when you move from a place has spring weather and you move to a place has a winter weather, and the pressure inside the tire, the tire will be smaller, and you feel the difference. But when you have the sensor inside the tire, will do the calculation. It will do the calculation inside the tire and do the difference that change in the temperature. I will tell you what you need for your tire. You need to deflate or inflate for the tire. And that's our project. We use LabVIEW in it, we use thermostat temperature in it, and we use physics to get the relationship between the temperature and the pressure. And we use the voltage source as 5 voltage in it. And thank you very much.
Thank you.